How to sell BNB on Binance P2P. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then tap on the Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the P2P option and then you will be landed on the P2P platform that will look something like this. Now over here, you need to tap on the USDT and from the given list, you need to simply select BNB coin. Now what this will do is it will show you all of the merchants that are selling you BNB coin. So you just have to simply select that, but we want to sell our BNB coin, so you need to tap on the sell option because you want to sell it, and then tap on the sell option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, it will ask you to authenticate with SMS and to complete the KYC. So if you haven't completed that, you need to make sure that you do it. Once done, after tapping on the sell option, you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to transfer and select the payment method in which you want to get the payment. Once done, you just have to simply wait for some time until you sell BNB to someone, and you need to follow further instructions in order to sell it successfully. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.